going some race cars and I've already crashed one. It's time to do something. It's the car I did that I crashed. Number 9. Let's go. Actually, I already recorded that. The crash was kind of cool. Love that. Go. Okay, I'm in the car, so let's get the man speaking. Okay, it looks like he's going good. He's touching the grass. I know. Is that a car? Of course, why not? Whoa, he just almost ran over that car. How could he do that? The car's big. He won't even do that. Hulk can do it too. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, he's spinning. Okay, we're having a... Oh, holy crap. Wait, hold on. What is he doing? He's drifting. He won't stop drifting. Make sure this car does not crash again. He likes drifting. Oh shoot! It's about to crash. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. That is horrific. That is painful. Oh my god. The car's on fire. You gotta get out, driver. It looks like Smurfcat did it. He has no car now. Okay, we're getting him a new one. Let's give him a 2011. I can't even read that. I can only say Toyota. Toyota. Whoa, it's kind of drifting. This car's broken. Then don't stop. Just delete the car and get a new one. Just do the same. Hey. Whee! Okay. It's ready. Smurfcat is ready now. Oh, we got this sign. Oh. That was close. I think it's gonna make it. I cannot see that much. Whoa! I didn't know you can do that. Oh my god, that's so fast. Oh my god! Oh shoot! Wait, how did he do that? He's still going. That's crazy. Oh, he's crashing so much. Not this again. Smurfcat, no! The pizza thingy. Oh my god, you can see the pizza ranch sign. Oh my god. The car is broken. Okay, now we gotta get you a new one. We're just gonna get you this one, a 2050. Let's see if we can do it. Please don't fail, sir. You're just wasting all of our money. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Don't. Oh, holy crap. Oh my god. He almost did it. Insane. Oh, look at that one. Don't crash that one. Oh. Oh, the same car crashed into each other, I think. Was it the same? Oh my god. Smurf Cap, what have you done? You're gonna pay a lot of money with that car. So annoying. Nah, he did not just say that. Guys, I have sick today. We're going with the number 10, 11, 13, no, 30, yes. Because, well, if there's a 31. Okay, he's cooking now. He's kind of cooking. Oh, whoops. He did not mean to do that. He's actually kind of cooking. He's cooking. Let him cook. Let him cook. It's on the grass. You don't cross that bar. Going way too fast. I don't know if the graphics can handle it. The fastness. Oh shoot, not again. Oh! Holy crap, I thought... What is that? Was that a face? Oh my god. Don't crash. I said don't... It did crash the engine too, not out. Oh shoot! Oh, this is the real one. Oh my god! Horrific! Again! Oh my god! I can still do it. Well, let's crash it here. Yeah, I know. Oh man. Guys, this is the last crash. Okay. I hope this can be crazy, like a cool one. It has been 18 minutes. Yes, this is good. No. Come on, just crash. We need the best crash ever. Go. Okay. Well, there was no crash in that car. No way this can be. You can't tell me this car. From Lightning McQueen. Let's use this one for the last crash. Oh shoot. Let's see him. Oh my god, he's gonna crash. Horrific crime scene. Go. It looks like a plane crash. I think it's not crashed yet. You can still drive it. Except for that wheel. But wheels, it still can drive. Oh, it's not yet. Let's try again. Wait, is this the old one? But it's 22. Oh, that's my age, 7. Let's use that. Shoot. Okay, nothing on this one. Oh, 6. Nice. Wait, I saw a 7. We gotta go back to that. No, I skipped it again. Yes. Let's go. Crash on the other one. Oh my god. It's about to crash. Oh my god. Wow. Whoa, I love this. I love the crash. It's kind of cool. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Yes.